Picture this, you're over 60 and suddenly lifting that grocery bag feels like a CrossFit workout. Or maybe you're eyeing that pickleball court thinking, I used to crush this, where'd my strength go? Poof, it's like your muscles decided to take an early retirement. Hilarious, right? Well, here's the thing. Muscle loss isn't your fault and it's not just aging. Today, I'm spilling a simple, science-backed secret to rebuild muscle fast. No gym heroics required. Stick around because this one mineral could change everything for you. Today we're diving into why your muscles might be fading and how to bring them back with a surprising nutrient most people overlook. If you love practical tips to stay active and energized, hit that subscribe button real quick so you don't miss more videos like this. Alright, let's get into it. If you're over 60, you've probably heard it a million times. Eat more protein. And yeah, protein's important. Nobody's arguing that. But here's the kicker. It's only part of the puzzle. Focusing only on protein is like trying to fix a car with just a wrench. You need the whole toolkit. See, muscle loss isn't just about food. It's about what's happening inside your body. Hormones slowing down, energy factories in your cells taking a nap, and tiny nutrient gaps that mess everything up. I get it. It's frustrating. You're eating right. Maybe even hitting the gym, but your strength's still slipping. You feel like you're doing all the right things, but the results? Not so much. Trust me, I've been there. Watching my dad struggle to open a jar after years of being the family's strong guy. It's discouraging, but here's the good news. You can turn it around. And it starts with understanding what your body's really craving. As we age, our bodies shift. Testosterone and growth hormone, those muscle-building superstars, start to dip. But that's not all. Your mitochondria, the little power plants in your cells, slow down too. Think of them like an old car engine. Still works, but not as peppy. Without enough energy, your muscles can't repair or grow, no matter how much chicken breast you eat. Then there's inflammation. It creeps up as we age, quietly chipping away at your strength. Stress, poor sleep, even certain medications. They pile on, sending your body a sneaky message. Hey, muscle repair isn't a priority anymore. Your body shifts into preservation mode and suddenly, you're not just losing muscle, you're losing energy. You move less, sit more, and before you know it, you're thinking, maybe this is just how it is now. But it's not. Your body hasn't given up. It's just waiting for the right signals to rebuild. And that's where this one mineral comes in. Ready for it? It's magnesium. Magnesium isn't flashy. You won't see it hyped up in protein shake ads or trending on social media. But it's a powerhouse. Harvard Medical School says magnesium is involved in over 300 processes in your body. Everything from muscle contraction to energy production to calming your nerves. Without enough, your body's like a phone at 5% battery, barely functioning. Here's a quick fact. Every time you move a muscle, your body uses ATP, the energy molecule. But ATP only works when it's paired with magnesium, forming something called MgATP, low magnesium. Your muscles can't get the energy they need to repair. That post-workout fatigue that lingers could be a magnesium shortage. Plus, magnesium fights inflammation. A 2017 study from the Mayo Clinic found it helps regulate immune signals, reducing that low-grade inflammation that slows recovery. And it's a nervous system superhero. It boosts your rest and recover mode, lowers stress hormones like cortisol, and promotes deep sleep, where most muscle repair happens according to the World Health Organization. Here's the problem. Most people over 60 aren't getting enough magnesium. Modern diets, processed foods, stress, even medications like diuretics can deplete it. Signs like cramps, fatigue, or trouble sleeping, those are your body waving a red flag. I remember my aunt complaining about leg cramps at night. She thought it was just old age. Turns out her magnesium levels were low. Once she fixed that, she was back to her morning walks, feeling like herself again. Let me tell you about John, a 67-year-old retired teacher. John loved gardening, but noticed he couldn't carry heavy soil bags anymore. He was eating plenty of protein, doing light weights, but still felt weak. Frustrated, he saw his doctor, who checked his magnesium levels, way too low. John started taking magnesium glycinate at night, paired with vitamin D to boost absorption. Within weeks, he was sleeping better, his energy was up, and he could haul those bags again. Now he's back to tending his roses and even joined a local walking group. John's not a bodybuilder, he's just a guy who wanted to feel strong again. And magnesium helped him get there. Now let's talk how to use magnesium. Not all forms are equal. Magnesium oxide? Cheap, but your body barely absorbs it. Magnesium glycinate or malat? Much better for muscle recovery and gentle on your stomach. Citrate's great for digestion and cramps. If sleep's an issue, try threonate. It crosses into the brain, calming both body and mind. Timing matters too. Take magnesium at night to boost sleep and recovery. If you exercise, a small dose post-workout with a meal can help muscles relax and rebuild. Start with 200 to 400 milligrams daily, but check with your doctor, especially if you're on meds. Oh, and magnesium needs friends. Vitamin D is key. Without it, your gut struggles to absorb magnesium, per a 2020 study in Nutrients. Exercise is another must. Magnesium won't build muscle alone, it makes your workouts work better. Even light resistance, like bodyweight squats or resistance bands, sends your muscles the grow signal. Then there's Maria, a 62-year-old grandma who loved dancing but stopped because her legs felt heavy and sore. She was skeptical about supplements but tried magnesium citrate after reading about its anti-inflammatory benefits. Paired with daily walks and better sleep, she noticed her soreness fading within a month. Now she's back to salsa dancing with her husband, feeling lighter and more confident. Maria told me, "I thought my dancing days were over, but I just needed the right fuel." Here's the thing, magnesium isn't a magic pill. It's a tool, one that makes everything else you're doing more effective. It's not about chasing youth, it's about giving your body what it needs to stay capable. When you pair magnesium with smart exercise, good sleep, and a balanced diet, you're not just slowing aging, you're reshaping it. You're telling your body, we're not done yet. I've seen it in my own life. My mom, in her late 60s, started feeling sluggish during her daily hikes. We added magnesium to her routine, and now she's outpacing me on the trails. It's not about being superhuman. It's about feeling alive and strong day after day. So, if you're over 60 and noticing your strength slip, don't just pile on more protein. Ask, is my body missing magnesium? Try adding it, pick the right form, and pair it with movement and rest. You might be surprised how much stronger you feel. Have you tried magnesium or noticed changes in your energy as you've aged? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. It might inspire someone else. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and let's keep this conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay strong, stay vibrant, and keep moving forward. You've got this. After 60, muscle loss isn't just about protein. It's your body's energy and recovery system slowing down. Take 200 to 400 milligrams magnesium glycinate nightly to enhance muscle repair, energy production, MG-ATP, and sleep, per Harvard research. Pair with vitamin D to boost absorption, per Nutrients, 2020. Do light resistance exercises like chair squats and wall push-ups 2 to 3 times weekly to signal muscle growth. Stay hydrated, manage stress, and sleep well to reduce inflammation. Mayo Clinic, 2017.